From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the vibrant celebrations of Rio de Janeiro, humanity's rich tapestry of cultural rituals continues to captivate and inspire. These traditions, passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into the soul of a community, reflecting their beliefs, values, and deep-rooted connection to their past. As the world evolves, so too do these ancient practices. Join us on a journey to explore how communities around the globe navigate the delicate balance between preserving their cultural heritage and embracing the dynamism of the 21st century. From the ancient tea ceremonies of Japan to the joyous festivities of Diwali in India, we'll witness the evolution of tradition in a rapidly changing world. Prepare to be immersed in a world of vibrant colors, rhythmic music, and ancient customs, as we unravel the stories behind these cultural treasures and their enduring significance in our modern age. In the heart of Japan, where ancient traditions intertwine with modern life, the tea ceremony known as Chanoyu stands as a testament to the country's deep reverence for ritual and tranquility. More than just a beverage, tea in Japan is an art form, a meditative practice steeped in centuries of tradition. Every precise movement, from the whisking of the matcha to the presentation of the bowl, is imbued with meaning, reflecting the core principles of harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. The tea ceremony is a sensory experience, engaging not just taste but also sight, smell, and touch. The gentle sound of water being poured, the delicate aroma of the matcha, the feel of the handcrafted ceramic bowl, all contribute to a sense of peace and mindfulness. It is a moment of respite from the frenetic pace of modern life, a chance to reconnect with oneself and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. Across the vast and vibrant landscape of India, the Diwali festival illuminates the night sky with an explosion of color and light. Celebrated by millions across the country, Diwali, or the Festival of Lights, is one of the most significant events in the Hindu calendar. Symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance, Diwali is a time for joyous celebration, family gatherings, and spiritual reflection. The festival's origins are steeped in ancient mythology, with various legends associated with the triumph of Lord Rama or the return of the Pandavas, signifying the victory of righteousness. Homes are meticulously cleaned and adorned with intricate Rangoli designs, created using colored powders, rice flour, or flower petals. The air is thick with the aroma of incense and the sweet scent of traditional delicacies, filling homes with warmth and festivity. Deep in the heart of Mexico, a vibrant tapestry of life and death unfolds. The Day of the Dead, far from a somber occasion, is a joyous reunion, a celebration of life that transcends the veil of mortality. It's a time when families gather to remember and honor their departed loved ones, welcoming their souls back from the ethereal realm. Throughout the towns and villages, a kaleidoscope of color erupts. Homes are adorned with intricate altars laden with offerings for the returning spirits. Flickering candles illuminate photographs of the departed, their favorite foods, and possessions carefully arranged to entice them home. The air is thick with the scent of marigolds, their vibrant petals guiding the spirits back to the earthly plane. Sugar skulls, with their whimsical grins and sparkling decorations, are a ubiquitous symbol of the Day of the Dead. These sweet treats, often personalized with the names of the departed, serve as a reminder that death, though a natural part of the circle of life, is not to be feared. Children delight in these sugary treats, learning from a young age to embrace the cycle of life and death. The Day of the Dead is a powerful testament to the enduring bond between the living and the dead. It's a time for remembrance, for laughter, for sharing stories, and for celebrating the lives of those who came before. It's a tradition that has been passed down through generations, a vibrant expression of Mexican culture that continues to captivate the world. From the sun-drenched beaches of Rio de Janeiro to the bustling streets of Salvador, a tidal wave of energy surges through Brazil. Carnival, a riot of color, music, and dance, has arrived, transforming the nation into a giant, pulsating celebration. For weeks leading up to Lent, the air crackles with anticipation. The streets come alive with the infectious rhythms of samba, the clatter of drums, and the joyous cries of revelers dressed in elaborate costumes. Carnival is a time for unbridled joy, a chance to cast aside inhibitions and embrace the pure exuberance of life. At the heart of Carnival lie the samba schools, vibrant communities dedicated to perfecting the art of this energetic dance form. Months of preparation culminate in spectacular parades, where each school presents its unique theme through dazzling costumes, pulsating music, and intricate choreography. Thousands of participants, their bodies moving in perfect harmony, tell stories of Brazilian history, culture, and mythology through their mesmerizing performances. The energy within the Sambadrome, Rio's purpose-built parade avenue, is electric. The air vibrates with the thunderous beat of drums, the melodies of brass instruments, and the passionate singing of thousands of voices. Spectators from all walks of life, caught up in the infectious energy, erupt in cheers, their bodies swaying to the irresistible rhythm of samba. In the heart of Africa, where the savanna stretches as far as the eye can see, lives a tribe whose traditions are as ancient as the land itself. The Maasai, known for their vibrant red shukas and deep connection to their cattle, hold a ceremony unlike any other, a coming-of-age ritual that marks the passage from boyhood to manhood. This transformation, a pivotal moment in a young Maasai man's life, is not merely a celebration but a test of courage, strength, and resilience. For generations, the Maasai have understood that true growth comes not from shying away from challenges, but from confronting them head-on. This profound respect for tradition is woven into the very fabric of Maasai society, passed down through generations like a sacred flame. The elders, keepers of ancient wisdom and knowledge, play a vital role in guiding these young men on their journey to adulthood. Their guidance, honed by years of experience and steeped in the lore of their ancestors, provides an invaluable compass for navigating the challenges that lie ahead. As the sun rises over the savanna, casting its golden glow upon the assembled tribe, anticipation hangs in the air, thick with the weight of tradition. The ceremony is about to begin, a sacred ritual that connects the Maasai people to their past, present, and future. The young initiates, their heads shaved and faces painted with intricate designs, stand tall and proud, their eyes reflecting a mixture of excitement and trepidation. Adorned with elaborate beadwork, each piece meticulously crafted by the women of the tribe, they are a testament to the community's unwavering support and the significance of this momentous occasion. These young men, on the cusp of manhood, are about to embark on a journey that will test their physical and mental fortitude, pushing them to their limits and beyond. Their courage, instilled from a young age, will be their guiding light as they face the trials that await them. The air crackles with energy, a palpable sense of anticipation rippling through the assembled crowd. The elders, their faces etched with wisdom gleaned from a lifetime on the savanna, look on with a mixture of pride and solemnity, knowing the challenges these young men must overcome. This is not a ceremony for the faint of heart, but a crucible from which true Maasai warriors emerge, tempered by tradition and ready to take their place as protectors of their people and their land. The coming-of-age ceremony is about to begin, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Maasai people and their unwavering commitment to preserving their cultural heritage. From the bustling metropolises to the tranquil countryside, a palpable sense of anticipation grips China as the Lunar New Year approaches. It is a time for renewal, a chance to sweep away the old and welcome the new with open arms and hopeful hearts. This vibrant festival, steeped in tradition and symbolism, is a testament to the enduring spirit of Chinese culture, a celebration that has endured for millennia, connecting generations past, present, and future. As families gather and fireworks illuminate the night sky, the spirit of unity and celebration permeates every corner of the nation. Preparations for this grand occasion begin weeks in advance, a flurry of activity that transforms homes and streets alike. Homes are meticulously cleaned, every nook and cranny scrubbed to rid them of any lingering bad luck from the previous year. Bright red lanterns and intricate paper cuttings, each symbolizing good fortune and prosperity, adorn doorways and windows, transforming ordinary spaces into vibrant expressions of hope and joy. The air fills with the tantalizing aromas of traditional delicacies, lovingly prepared by families, their kitchens abuzz with the sounds of chopping, stir-frying, and laughter. Markets overflow with shoppers seeking out the perfect ingredients for their New Year's Eve feast and gifts for loved ones. The cacophony of vendors hawking their wares, the laughter of children, and the rhythmic clang of metal chopsticks against porcelain bowls create a symphony of sound, a vibrant tapestry of life unfolding against the backdrop of this momentous occasion. The energy is infectious, a palpable sense of excitement that transcends language and cultural barriers, uniting people from all walks of life in shared anticipation. As dusk descends, casting a warm glow over the city streets and rural villages, the anticipation reaches fever pitch. Families gather, their homes filled with the comforting aroma of traditional dishes and the joyous chatter of reunited loved ones. Children, their eyes bright with excitement, eagerly await the distribution of red envelopes filled with lucky money, a symbol of good fortune for the year to come. The stage is set for a night of celebration, a time to honor traditions, create new memories, and welcome the promise of a prosperous new year. From the ancient rituals of the Maasai to the vibrant celebrations of Chinese New Year, we have journeyed across continents, witnessing the remarkable diversity and enduring spirit of cultural traditions. Each ritual, passed down through generations, offers a unique glimpse into the history, beliefs, and values that shape societies around the world. These traditions, far from being relics of the past, continue to evolve and adapt, reflecting the changing times while preserving the essence of what makes them unique. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, understanding and appreciating these traditions is more important than ever. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay connected to learn more about the world's rich cultural heritage.